Yeah, they took a $23 million impairment charge, and there really wasn't much discussion, no discussion about Bitcoin during the company's conference call. As you take a look at shares of Tesla, the company did beat on the top and the bottom line. Listen to this. Its net income for the second quarter, $1.14 billion. First time they've topped $1 billion in net income, and that's 10 times greater than the net income of Q2 a year ago. So clearly this is a company that is in growth mode. You see that in the profit margins, but it's the outlook that also got a lot of attention yesterday because they did shift it a bit. They pushed back some of what the expectations are for the rest of this year. Now the Model Y will begin production in both Berlin and in Austin this year. Notice the word is production. Not deliveries, but production. There may be some deliveries. Not a lot of people are expecting that. Cybertruck production then will be subsequent to the Model Y. Will that happen this year? Will it happen early next year? Sort of laying the groundwork there for it to potentially be pushed back. And remember, that's going to be built in Austin. And then the Tesla Semi also being built in Austin. That has been completely moved into next year. Here's Elon Musk on the call talking about the challenges the company has gone through over the last 3 months.
Our team continues to make huge efforts to make our factories run at full speed, which is very difficult. We have had some factory shutdowns due to part shortages, and we hope those will be relieved in the coming weeks and months.
One of the primary parts shortages that Tesla was wrestling with, like the rest of the auto industry, semiconductor chips. He talked about that and the inability to get as many chips as Tesla needs in order to keep up the production schedule that it would like to have. They are still working on that, though they do believe it's getting a little bit better. Take a look at annual deliveries from Tesla. They did not give guidance for full year deliveries. So this is a company where most people believe they're going to deliver anywhere between 850,000, 860,000 vehicles this year. The average sales price, by the way, in the second quarter dropped 2%. Not a surprise given the fact that they did not sell nearly as many Model S's as well as Model X's. Those are higher priced vehicles. Finally, as you take a look at shares of Tesla in the last year, the gross margin story, you have to talk about this. Automotive gross margins, 25.8%, and that's stripping out the electric vehicle credits. You add those in, it was north of 28%. So strong margins once again, in fact, stronger than in Q1. And then also you've got them taking a $23 million impairment charge on Bitcoin. But again, guys, there was no discussion of Bitcoin on the conference call. What will get some attention already is the fact that Elon Musk said on the call, you know what, probably going to be my last call. Unless I've got something important to say, you won't be hearing from me on these conference calls. That will change things just a little bit over the next several earnings reports.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.